Yes, sir.
So, talking about the tug pull area, push area and the tug made fast area, normally every vessel you will find this is a marking for the tug push area, okay? And when you go on the ship side, big T marking will be there for, so that is the designated positions for the tug push and pull area, okay? Especially push, pull they can do from anywhere. So push they have to do in that area, and when we are picking up the tug's line or we are passing the tug's line, we have to made fast the tug on a bollard, okay? So what we will do, we will use the closed choke or the universal fair lead roller, and we will pick up the anchor, we will pick up the tug line here and we will put on the bollard. Do not use your leg, use the rope stopper. And as a best practice, you are not allowed to pass the tug line to the fair lead roller, okay, like this, because there are many incidents that while pulling or pushing, the line have jumped up and it may lead to the accident. So always use the closed Panama choke or this universal fair lead roller when you are making fast the tug. Thank you.